In this video tutorial, we will create bank account. Go to File menu, then Chart of Account. Click on left button menu, Account, then New. Click on Bank, continue. Your bank name, suppose HBL. Bank account number, bank routing number, enter opening balance. Suppose you have deposited already 2,30,000. Statement ending date, then OK, save and close. You can see we have created bank account HBL in the name of HBL, and that amount automatically become in a portion of equity, opening balance equity. Now we will also create inventory items. How to create inventory items? In QuickBook accounting software, click on list, item list, item, new, inventory part. Suppose Samsung S3 unit of measurement. We will create new unit, enable, single, next, count each, finish. You can write description for the purchase, also sell description. Now you should write the cost for these Samsung S3. Suppose 20,000. What will be the sale price? Suppose 30,000. Income account, sale income, on hand quantity. Suppose we have 10 items on hand, then OK. Now you can see we have Samsung S3 as inventory item, quantity on hand 10, total price of one is 30,000. In this video we have created chart of account. In chart of account, bank account that automatically will become in equity opening balance. Then we have created item list, means inventory items. If inventory part is not showing in QuickBook, then go to edit menu, click on preferences, company preferences, and items and inventories. It must be selected, tick mark, inventory and purchase order are active. OK, this is our third video in QuickBook accounting software. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel to watch our other videos. Thank you so much.